I'm looking for somebody I can call, boo. Looking for the only one who I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you. Tell me if it's you. Said you can be my teacher, I do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more work. What you wanna do?
All right, girls, we have a bombshell sponsor. I would like to thank UNICE for sponsoring today's video. Y'all are not gonna believe this, but y'all, this is a 7x5 pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-trimmed, pre-everything unit, and it is gorgeous. Originally, the hair came in a water wave, but I wanted to do something just a little bit different, so I was able to add some gorgeous curls. So you guys already know I love beautiful, soft, flowy curls. I'm gonna encourage that you guys head over to UNICE Hair, grab your easy to install unit. This is so perfect for beginners. You guys let me know what you think, and on to the tutorial. All right, y'all, so the first thing I want to do is get into the specs of this gorgeous unit. Number one, y'all, I know y'all not gonna believe this, but girls, this is a 7x5 unit, and I cannot believe it. I'm gonna honestly say this is the most natural looking unit that I have received, and I love it. So guys, basically you have about 7 inches of lace from here to here, and then 5 going this way. I love it because despite the fact that there is not a lot of lace, it gives you such a natural look. I was able to achieve this really deep side part. I also wanted to show you girls, look. So I haven't put any hairspray or anything on the unit, so you can clearly see, you know what, let me lift it up. So you can clearly see that this is 100% glueless. It also has the zigzag cutting on it. And so literally you can pull this out of the package and put it on. It really doesn't require a lot of styling, but you girls know I am a glamour girl and I love going the extra mile when I do my wigs. But what I love about it the most is just this natural scalp look. This literally looks like my real scalp. And I love that. And then I also love the fact that it does blend in with my real hair. So guys, all of this right here is my real hair. I have super long edges. And so that's one of the things that I always like to look at anytime I get ready to do a wig. I want to always ensure that I'm going to be able to have something that's going to match my natural hair. And it does. Even if I were to pull my natural hair out, you still wouldn't be able to tell the difference between the unit and my hair. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. And this is my first time really just doing an attempt at doing a little bit of customization on the side. But again, you do not need to do that. It's just something that I wanted to do. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is just take a little bit of hairspray and just spray a little bit on here just so it can lay down a little bit flatter. Now guys, this is not a requirement, again, because this is a glueless wig, but if you want to have it secured a little bit more, this is a little trick that you can do. So you can take maybe about 1 inch or 1/2 inch, and then you can spray a little bit of hairspray behind the hairline and then rub it in going towards the hairline like this. And that way it doesn't really get on the front of the lace, but it just gives you that extra security. Oh girl. Okay, so the next thing that I'm gonna do is start to pull the curls out. Guys, you want to be careful if you decide to curl it the way that I did. You want to be careful when you get ready to pull the curls out. So what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of my bio silk, and not too much, but just enough so when I pull the curls out, the hair is not going to end up super frizzy. And then I'm going to just coat my entire hands with this, and then I'm just going to lightly go down the entire shaft of the hair. And I'm just going to do this side first, and now we're going to do this side. And this is just to ensure that your curls are going to be big and thick and bouncy and curly and juicy, but not frizzy. And so we're gonna take the leftovers and just kind of lightly apply it to the end. And then I'm gonna do that right here as well. Oh girl. And so from there, I'm just gonna lightly just pull the curls out. Baby, in Texas, the higher the hair, the closer to heaven. Eunice showed out with this wig. They really did. They did such a beautiful job. So glamorous. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's kind of lightly pull these curls out. I'm not gonna pull everything out, just the ones that kind of lay around my face a little bit. This is a 26-inch unit. And I think right here in the front, I just want this curl to be defined a little bit more, because honestly, I'm kind of going for that really pretty old Hollywood glam. So I'm gonna go in, just curl this one a little bit towards my face. And this is also going to improve the shape of the unit. All right, y'all. So this is the finished look, baby. When I tell you I feel so gorgeous and so glamorous, what I'm gonna do is leave all of the details of this unit below. I am gonna strongly encourage that you head over to Eunice and grab yours today, guys. This is the perfect unit for the winter because again, you don't have to worry about the humidity. This is beginner friendly. You don't have to go through the customization process or do anything that I did. You guys know that, again, I just like to zhuzh my units up to make them look as natural and as pretty as possible. But being that this is just a natural, gorgeous unit, order your unit, pop it on, and just flip it back a little bit, girl, and go. I just feel like it just looks so pretty and so professional. But anyway, okay, I'm sorry. I be getting carried away. But anyway, guys, I would like to thank Eunice for sponsoring today's video. You guys let me know if you love these beautiful, juicy Hollywood curls as much as I do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.